Hi Tom, for this part, let me explain about the concept and the reason behind the copy that I made for the Prelander advertorial style. Okay, so first and foremost, I consider the avatar, customer avatar that we gave. It's women 45, age 45 and above in the US. And a quick research for this segment is women are mostly in their perimenopause stage or some menopause stage. So when I thought about um, the ads that you're currently running, so I wanted to create a advertorial that could easily be plugged to the current ads that we're running, and so I thought about something that has to do with travel. So for um for women in the age 45 and above, I thought about maybe they are empty nesters who are rediscovering the joy of travels. So definitely, um, these are women, of course, though aging, they took care of themselves and they want to enjoy enjoy life. They want to continue enjoy life through travels now that they don't have the too much responsibilities towards their children. And of course, since definitely they have the means for traveling, because we want them to have the capacity to pay and purchase the product. Okay, so the messaging that I thought of was about emphasizing freedom, comfort, and support. Something like the main messaging is don't let your legs limit you. Because, for them at age 45, there's a lot of change going on there, and um, some hormonal, some physical, and they become um, they have they become exposed to increased health risk. Okay, so for their pain points, based on the research, some of the pain points they have are leg fatigue, heaviness, or aches after extending walking, museum shoppings, walking tours. And then for their desires, it's of course they want to feel light, energetic, and um, like they can go for long hours for shopping, museum, and walking tours. And then for their frustrations connected to the compression socks, um, maybe they purchased compression socks before and they felt that it was uncomfortable, maybe too tight, and then they get it leaves marks on their legs. And of course, the one of their main considerations there are they don't want the bulky and the classic medical looking compression socks that's available mostly at the pharmacies. And then for the aspirations, of course, um, they want to be able to travel comfortably, and have still and maintain the independence when it comes to their mobility and strength, something like that. So for them, travel is a big factor. So definitely they are problem aware because for most of them, 10 hours after 10 hours of grueling flight, it already causes swelling and puffiness for them.